cold and windy. But as promised yesterday, let's test this. So as you can see, it works quite well. Only problem with a windy weather like this is you need to shield off the magnesium shavings because the wind was blowing them around. So good to get a fire going. But once they were inside, this paper started without a problem. And as you've seen, there was this bright white spot that was magnesium burning, really hot temperature. It'll get anything going. One thing I'll need to do is grind this back part of my mortar knife so you can use that for scraping. I had to use the blade, so now I'll need to sharpen the knife. So normally you just grind this flat so you have two really sharp edges on both sides, and then you can use the knife without any problem as a striker for a fire rod. So that's it for now. Subscribe, share, like, and watch out for another episode.